the Windgoo B3. This was my original bad boy. It's not a bike, it's not a scooter, it's a bit somewhere in between. Now it's becoming a bit of a Franken bike. We're going to be sticking a 80cc petrol engine in it as well, having a hybrid from there. We'll put that away for now. Today we are going to be talking about what is better. What should you get? What shouldn't you get for between an e-scooter and an e-bike? So obviously they're two very different products, but these ones are both brought to you from Wingoo. We've got the Windgoo B20 here, the folding bike. For those of you who haven't seen it, I'll just quickly run through. What you can do is you can fold in the wheel, fold in the pedals, down goes the seat, down goes the handlebars, fold the bike in half, and then here we have our little electric folding bike. Runs off a 350 watt motor. Yeah, basically this is what I've been using as my day-to-day. And here we have the Wingoo M12. This is the newest one that I've got. Fold that down there, nice and easy break in the middle here. Fold it in half, the clips on there, like that. Nice and easy, take it wherever you need to go. So, what do you need what and when and where and how? Good question, that's probably why you're here. In the UK, which is where I am, there's a lot of stigma about the e-scooters being, are they safe? You know, do the police like them? Are you going to get in trouble if you have one? Are they street legal? All these questions and everything like that. That was something that I had in mind when I got my B3 originally, because I was like, if I've got an e-scooter, am I more likely to get stopped by the police? They're going to take it off me, and you know, problems like that. Also, I didn't know how small it could really go and how sort of maneuverable it's going to be. So that's why I went originally for the B3. It was good. It was really good. It done me really, really proud. I've had no problems with it. Well, I had a few punches from time to time. Then I was thinking, you know what? It would be really good if I actually had some pedals, so I can then actually like move around on it as well. So if it ran out, you know, I can go around on the normal battery power, sort of thing like that. And it is a bit more of a bike. So that's when the B20 came in. So this is the bigger brother of the B3. It's been great. I've had less problems with this than that. Everything still works as it should. Battery lasts well, you know, no problems really, to be fair, whatsoever on it all. The kids like coming on this as well, you see, but it's a bit tricky to straddle them over my waist and then sort of, you know, go along like that. So that's when we picked up the M12, the electric e-scooter. If I'm honest, I was a lot more impressed with this when I got it than before I got it. I was like, oh, you know, e-scooter, what's to it? Do you know what I mean? It can't be that good, can't be that quick, anything like that. But just up here, I'll do a link to the video to the unboxing that I did from this one. But actually, yeah, this came basically as you see it now. Really, it just came through like that. The quick release has been changed from the bikes, so it is really, really simple to do up and down. We've got an LED display on here, which gives you like your trip. So here's the front that we're looking at. We've got our bell here just to notify everyone of where we are. We've got the on and off button here, which press and hold that down. That's off, that's on. Press and hold it for 3 seconds to set the lights on and off. And obviously we've got speeds 1, 2 and 3 on here. Here's how we go and stop, and here's the brake. So that's basically all you need to know. It also gives you the speed that you're going. It gives you 3 modes, so you can go walking pace, 15 kilometers an hour maximum speed, and 25 kilometers an hour. And 25 kilometers an hour is the same speed that you get on the B20 and the scooter. So this is not slower by any means than the e-bike. To be fair, this gains speed faster than that does. I don't know why, but it definitely does. Stability wise, the B20 is more stable. It is a bike. I feel a lot more in control with that than this. The wheels are a lot smaller, as you can see, so like you have to be aware of that one. But I think the biggest difference is the fact that the power on the bike comes through the rear wheel. So you're sitting above the rear wheel, so you've got no chance of it skipping or anything like that. Whereas with this one, I don't know what other ones are like, but the M12 especially, all the power comes through the front wheel. So if you sort of like do a little bunny hop, a little wheelie, and you've got full power, it just spins away, and you've got to like catch it on the way down. So that I wouldn't say it's tricky, but when I was on loose gravel and it was doing that, like I was on concrete, and then went onto some loose gravel. Because it was at the front, it was a bit sketchy. It wasn't like worryingly sketchy or anything like that, but it did make me be aware that it is powered through the front. And the brakes are really good on it though. They feel like they don't work too well, but they actually do. When you're going at speed and you apply it, it does slow you down really nicely from that point of view. The LED display on the front is really good. The built-in accelerator does have cruise control as well with it, so you press and hold it down for more than sort of 5 or 6 seconds, and then it will kick in at the sort of speed you're going, so that's good. The general stability of the bike, or of the e-scooter actually, it's a lot better than what I thought it was going to be fair. Like, I'm just going to spin around quick. So yeah, it's a lot easier to use than I thought it was going to be. But as I say, if you're like this and all the power's coming out the front wheel, so if you push off and then you lean back a little bit, the wheel does like to spin up, but it feathers well. Like the power control that comes through here is really good actually. I mean, it's delivered well. It's not snappy, snap on. It just sort of gives you a nice little boost through from that point of view. So yeah, very pleased with it, and this will be the mode of transport that I'm probably going to be using moving forward over the next sort of 6 months, and I'll be doing some more reviews on this one. As I say, there is no right or wrong what you want to get. If you're a fan of one over the other, then please do leave it in the comments below. Let me know what you think is a better product, or what you think you prefer. If you've had both, or if you've got one and you're thinking about the other one. As I say, they're both made by Wingoo. Made over in China, but they come through from their website. The links will be in the description below for both products. But yeah, as I say, what would I say is a better product? For me, today, I'm going to go the e-scooter. That is definitely something that I am enjoying a lot more. As I say, the bike has been great, but yeah, I think we'll probably be using this a little bit less moving forward. So this is the two that we've got, and I reckon you should go and buy either one, and I think you should go and buy either one through my link, which is in the description down below. I am affiliated with Wingoo, but they don't actually pay me to make any of these reviews or do anything through from that point of view. But if you like the reviews and you like the products, then as I say, buy it through there. It helps me out. And any questions through the community, any questions about either product, just send a comment below. And like and subscribe for any more updates on anything. And on that note, I'll see you on the next one.